Welcome back to 805 Barbecue Junkie. I'm George, and today I got a special cook for you guys. I made baby back ribs smoked with green salsa. This was fantastic. Stick around so I can show you guys how I made this. Absolutely delicious and easy, guys. It was so easy. My mouth is even watering talking about it. Let's get right into the video, guys. All right, so I got a rack of baby back ribs here. As you seen in the intro, we're gonna go ahead and cook these with salsa verde, Mexican style. Just wanna clean up a little bit. It does have a shiner right there, which I really don't mind. And if you don't know what a shiner is, all it is the bone is protruding through the meat. So in other words, you can see the bone, which I don't mind because the way I'm gonna cook these bad boys. So the only thing I see is to remove the membrane. So just try to come under the membrane right here with your knife and just work it. Pretty simple, guys. Nothing to it. You can start from the edge. You can start from the edges, the middle, wherever you want to start from. Sometimes you get lucky and the whole thing comes off, and sometimes you don't. Lucky for us, they came off in one try. And this is what I don't want to be chewing on. You can use this as a cordage for sure. Put that to the side. So then it looks pretty good, guys. There's not much trimming that I want to do. A little bit fat there, but it's not too bad. This is what I plan to use, the PS seasoning, pig rub. I tasted it, guys. I've had it in my pantry for a bit, but I tasted it. And it almost has chili flavor, has a little bit chipotle in there, and a little bit of sugar. Not much sugar, but I really don't want over seasoned. I just want to hit it really light with the rub, guys. I don't want to go too heavy because we're gonna add more seasonings when we add our salsa. All right, guys, I think that looks pretty good. This is gonna be one of those cooks where it's simple and fast and easy, guys. I do have the Z grills preheating at 275. Stick around, guys. Bring you back in a few hours. We're gonna add 6 medium-sized tomatillos. We're gonna add 2 jalapenos, a quarter of an onion, and then I want to add the poblano for some extra flavor. Just go ahead and boil this for 15-20 minutes, and then we'll make the salsa. Simple and easy, guys. Get everything out. The tomatillos exploded, but it's all good. No big deal. We'll use some of this water here. About half of it. Let's go ahead and flavor our salsa. We're gonna add some kosher salt. It's about a good solid tablespoon there. And then I got some chicken bouillon. We're gonna add to this a nice heaping tablespoon. Some granulated garlic, tablespoon. And then some granulated onion, tablespoon. And then to finish this bad boy off, we're gonna add ground cumin. I almost forgot, guys, the cilantro. We're gonna add the whole entire thing in here. That's gonna be our salsa. I added 2 cloves of garlic. I forgot to add. And I did add the rest of the water from the pot because it was a little too chunky. This is what I wanted. Nice and smooth, watery. Let's go for a taste, guys. Man, it smells delicious. Wow, impressive. Very impressive. That is a good salsa. It is not spicy either. All right, guys, the ribs have been on for 3 hours. What I want to do, I want to braise them in this salsa. So you know what? Let's cut it right in the middle so they fit. Now this is 3 hours of smoking here. Still got a ways to go. I'm thinking another 2 hours. I'm gonna cut this right here, right down the middle, guys. Incredible. Look at that. Rendering real nice. A little bit of a smoke ring there. Very nice. Try a little piece. Man, let's go right there. Let's go ahead and add our salsa. And we're gonna place our ribs meat side down. Hopefully they kind of fit in there. Submerge them in there. We're gonna come back with the rest of it and just let them braise. This is gonna be fantastic, guys. Woo! Excited about this one. And I did reserve some salsa for the side. All right, guys, I'm gonna put this back in the smoker. I'm gonna let this go until they fall apart. I'm thinking another 2 to 3 hours, guys. They're gonna cook in the salsa verde. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to see what this looks like. Stick around, guys. See you guys in 3 hours. Let's check these bad boys out, guys. Oh yes, look at this, guys. Incredible. Let me pull these out of here. Yes, they're falling apart. Perfect. I can't tell you what it smells like in here. It's like when you go to a restaurant, you smell nothing but carne con chile. And this is what I want to do, guys. I want to put some of this salsa right on top of this rib. Fantastic. We're gonna smother this rib. There's a nice pullback. Obviously, it's fall off the bone. Salsa verde smoked baby backs. Oh yeah, baby. Damn, that looks good. Butter fall off the bone, no doubt. Look at that, it just falls apart. It's exactly what I wanted to see. Look at that. Damn. Woo. Look at that. You don't even need a knife. That's exactly what I was looking for. Nice hot tortilla. Get your rib meat, just like so. Check that out. Fall off the bone. That's exactly why I wanted to do fall off the bone. Get some more salsita. Smother it. Oh, come on, guys, look at this. I wish this was a little bit spicier, but damn, freaking delicious. Well, gracias for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. You already know, like, share, subscribe. See you guys next week. Take care.